What's going on YouTube? It's Backroads from Backroads Gaming. I'm coming to you guys today with a how-to video. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to set up and show y'all how to use your Elgato Stream Deck to start and stop your stream at the push of a button. So, here we go. Alright guys, so here's what we've got set up. As you can see over to the far side, you've got my personal Elgato Stream Deck. I have the 15 button one. If you are interested in it, the link for it is in the description below. There's also a 32 button and a 6 button. Their links are down there too. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this. We're going to put together a couple of links inside the Stream Deck to allow you to push a button that's going to start your stream. It's going to send a tweet that says you're live. It's going to change your scene to your, say, your stream starting scene, and then it's going to give you a little bit of a break depending on how long your stream starting scene is, and then it's going to transition to your live scene. And then once we're done with that, we're going to set it up to do the reverse. We're going to go to your stream ending scene, and it's going to go through and set up to where it automatically stops your stream at the push of a button. So, if you haven't already done so, please smack that like, share, and subscribe button. That way you can also get notified by smacking the bell when I send out another video. And if you guys have already used the Stream Deck, let me know in the comments below if it's something that you guys would like to learn, or if there's any other tricks that you'd like to learn about the Stream Deck itself. Alright, so here we go. As you guys can see, I just went ahead and created two multi-action buttons. The first one I'm going to call Stream Starting. The next one I'm going to call Stream Ending. Super easy, not really going into a lot of details as to what they are. So, with your broadcasting software, it's going to be a little different how you set it up. With the channel that you broadcast to, it's going to be a little different with setting it up. But let's assume that you stream on Twitch and you want to use OBS. I'm using OBS as an example because that's just the broadcast software that I have pulled up. Sorry, I cannot words today, guys. Okay, so we're going to open up Stream Elements OBS.live, and then through here, you are going to see a button that says Stream. You're going to pull that bad boy in. Now, this gives you the option to start and stop your stream. Pretty obvious where we're going with this, right? When the stream's starting, we want it to stay start. So let's go Start Stream. That way we know exactly what it is. Now, I don't want to instantly go to my starting soon scene because we all know that you have to choose the server that you're on unless you set it up to be automatic. So let's add in a delay, and the delay is based in milliseconds. So every 1,000 milliseconds is 1 second. So let's do a 2-second delay. And this is just kind of so you see what the titles are. And we're going to set it to 2,000 milliseconds. Now, we're going to go back to Streamlabs, and we're going to change the scene. We're going to go Stream Starting. And we'll even put in scene. The more detailed you can get in your labeling, it kind of helps if you have to make changes in the future. But here we go. So now we know that when I push this button, my stream starts. After 2 seconds, it transitions to my starting soon scene. Now, this is going to be the tricky part. This takes a little bit of finagling, but I know that that scene is 1 minute long. So I set this for 60,000. 1 minute delay. I can't type there. So, after that, I'm also going to take and I'm going to put in a tweet. It's right before the 1 minute delay. Now you can only repost this one tweet every 12 hours. So if you don't have your Twitter on there, make sure you get your Twitter on there. Remember me and sign in. Now you see that we've got the tweet there. So what tweet do we want it to say? Hey everyone, I am going live with a how-to video working on the Elgato Stream Deck. Come hang out. Twitch.tv/backroadsgamingtv. And then we're gonna say going live tweet. No attachments. So now if we look at these, the title is the going live tweet. We've got a 1 minute delay. Stream's already started, so we know that we're rolling. Now after the 1 minute delay, I'm gonna put in another scene. Now in this case, this is actually right where I need it to be. My live scene. Alright. So that is how you would put together a stream starting button. So now, at the push of a button, if I click that almost pushed it. If I click the stream starting button, it will cycle through each of these, and it would be roughly 1 minute and 3 seconds from the time I push the button until the time I get to my live scene. Now, let's do the stream ending. So what we want to do is we want to start with our scene, and we want to go to our stream ending scene, because that's the first thing we want to do, is go to the ending scene. In my case, you know, if you have other scenes you cycle through to, you know, that's all well and good as well. But we'll go back up and we'll grab a delay again. And then we'll grab the scene again. But wait, we don't need another scene. So we grab stream. Because we know that the stream is already live. We'll change it from start to stop. Stream end. The scene is your ending scene. Now, depending on how you have your stream set up, my ending stream is an actual video. I want to say it's about 30 seconds long, so I would set it for 30,000 milliseconds. 30-second play. There you go. It's all set up. Now, you can play with it a little bit differently. One of the things that I used to do, I don't have the scene up anymore, but I used to have a scene that was only my logo. Oh, excuse me. Only my logo. So it would cycle through my video, change to the logo scene, and then it would end. And the logo scene looked something like just that. Right there. That's all it was. Yeah, that's how you do it. So today, like I said, we covered how to put together a stream starting button and a stream ending button. If you have any questions, drop a comment in the description below. I'm more than happy to answer it. My phone is on me 24/7, so as soon as I see the question, I do try to respond. Again, if you guys found any value in this video, it helped you out at all, or you think you've got a friend that can help out with this, like, share, and subscribe this video. In the meantime, guys, I am gonna get out of here, and we'll see you the next time we're here. Later.